Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete Tinder account. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser, or you can simply use Tinder app as well. If not, you can go to any browser and search for tinder.com and you can get into it. And make sure you're logged into it. After that, we need to click on this small profile icon in the bottom right. Now click on this settings icon on the top right. Now we need to scroll down all the way down, and over here we can see delete account option. Simply tap on this and we need to give some of the details about why we are deleting your account. If you want to pause, click on pause my account, and if you want to delete it, simply click on delete my account. And we need to give the reasons as well, and if you want to skip it, you can skip it part as well. After that, click on delete my account finally, and your account will be deleted. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.